sleepy thoughts, and a phone that won't focus. You know how Trump likes to laugh at people about committing genocide? You know, oh, here's a golden plaque for murdering a few million people in Palestine, and here's a. You know how he likes to brag about these things. Well, here's another thing that you may not have noticed when he says frack, 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 frack. Well, fracking is used to exterminate people, to commit genocide. I shall explain. A story came out. It's very rare you get any real interesting stories come out these days. It's all. Anyway, this came out at 10 to the hour, where nobody would notice. And it was on the BBC because they're run by Jews and Irish, but they sneak in the occasional actual story that's not authorized. That's why they get so much shit from Trump. So the story was they tested the rivers in England and they found that it contains high enough chemicals to sterilize people. And that's all they said. It was literally a few seconds. That was it. And now for the weather. That was all they said. But that was all I needed to go on a rabbit hole hunt. So all I did, I said hunt. I had a look at this thing. I went online to the government site, and it's on the government website. And this is after the water has been through the human body, after it's been through the water treatment plants. So to get that higher concentration into the river, it must come from the groundwater, the water table, the water supply. And for it to be all over the country, every area of the country, you can't go around to all the reservoirs and do it. It'd be too recordable, too obvious. And then I thought about the fracking. Fracking has been done for, I think, 50 or 60 years. It's a very simple way that they can poison a water supply. These are the same people who murder babies with asbestos. Johnson, you know. Anyway, so I remember, I think 2020, they were fracking in Minehead. And it's not like some massive big tower. It's literally a long wheelbase Land Rover with a trailer and some pipes. And it's up a little rig, only about, I don't know, 20 feet tall. About 20 feet tall, I think. And they draw down to the water table, pump in their toxins, whatever it is, chemicals, and then they put a plug in to seal it up, just expanding foam to block up the hole. Move on to the It takes a few hours. Move on to the next one, and the next one, and the next one. And they've been doing this for decades. And by doing it this way, they can select which area they want to sterilize, what area they want to give cancer. You know, keep forcing. Have you not noticed how in somewhere like the UK, you've got areas like the southwest? It's about the only place left where you get more than half the people are white, but not actually white. A lot of Irish, quite a lot of Jewish, and they don't class themselves as white. So when you hear Trump saying "drill, drill, drill, baby, frack, frack, frack," what he's actually, when he's laughing when he says it, he's laughing because he's saying frack, 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 because he's going to kill you with fracking. Forget the earthquakes that cause gas mains explosions. Forget the environmental disasters where you can't control the excess that comes out. Think about poisoning your water supply. Because the shit they're putting in, if it can go through the human body and a water treatment plant and still have enough chemicals to sterilize you, then no amount of boiling or filtering is going to get rid of those chemicals. It's in the food you eat, the air you breathe, the water you drink, the powder you pop into your baby's ass.